Hello dear viewers, welcome to Major Tech Teacher 24 channel. Today you are going to get a useful video lesson by this YouTube channel, and those who are going to start digital marketing and those who are going to start Fiverr, Upwork, freelancing job will be benefited by today's lesson. And before going to start our today's lesson, I would like to invite you to subscribe this YouTube channel if you are new visitor here, and you will have to keep the bell button on so that you can get the notification at first in your notification bar. So I would like to give you an important tips that you will have to watch the video lesson from the beginning to the till the end of this video lesson. Let's get started our today's lesson.
Today I am going to show you how you will arrange, how you will set up, how you will optimize your Facebook business page or Facebook fan page. First, I will select a browser. I use Chrome as my browser, and then I will log in my Facebook account. You will have to log in your Facebook account. Here I have 3 accounts consecutively. I will log in my last account Mission, and you know the process of logging. If you cannot log in your account, or if you cannot create your Facebook account or Facebook business page or Facebook fan page, you can watch the previous video lessons of this YouTube channel. Then I will log in my account with my password. This is my Facebook ID, Medium Tech Teacher, and I will go to my page, my Facebook page or business page, whatever you have created. So from here you can find your page also, and you can go to your profile. You can visit your profile from here, and you can create group. This is my Facebook fan page. So how you will arrange your page, I will show you today. If you want to do anything here, you will have to see in your left side, and in your left side you will find something important: publishing tools, ad center, page quality, edit page info, or settings. So if you want to add the basic information about your page, you will go to edit page info, or if you want to add anything advanced level, you will have to go to settings, and first you will go to setting. Here in your left side you will find general, messaging, page info, templates and tabs, notification, advanced messaging, page roles, people and other pages, preferred page audience, issue, edit, branded content, Instagram. You can add or you can connect others, your social media also here. So what I will do today is, in my previous video I have showed you how to edit or how to add page info, and you can find or you can visit the playlist in this channel. Here in general you will find some information here: page visibility. You can publish your page, or you can hide your page also. You can make your page unpublished. In here, if you go in edit, you will find you can publish your page, or you can make your page unpublished. I will publish my page. Then visitors, anyone can publish to the page. Your visitors can publish in your page, or your visitors can upload their information, upload their photos here. Edit, if you don't like to allow your visitors to the page to publish post, allow photo or video post. You can allow your publishers to publish their photo or video post here, or you cannot allow them. Review post by the other people before they are published to the page. If you don't like to allow your visitors to publish their post without reviewing, you can click here. If you click here, the post uploaded by your visitors will not be published without your reviewing, without your permission. Disable post by other. You can disable others to publish any post. If your page is business page, or if your page is pen page, you cannot publish, or you cannot allow your visitors. So if you don't like to allow your visitors to publish any post in your page, you can click in disable post here, and then you will save changes. Save changes means whatever you have added will be saved. Then newsfeed audience, and visibility for post, whether the ability to narrow the potential audience for newsfeed and limit visibility on your post is turned off. Here I will allow newsfeed and audience selection and post visibility option for this page. So if you allow newsfeed, you will find some notification from others. So I will click here and save it. Then post and story sharing. You can post or story sharing here. So I go to edit, allow sharing to stories. Allow people to share your page's post. Whatever you are sharing in your page, others can share if you allow them. Allow people to share your page's story. So this is a good idea, because if you want to extend the publicity of your page, you can allow others people to share the link of your page or the post of your page to their timeline. So this is a good idea, and I will let other people publish my post or share my post in their timeline. Messages. People can contact my page privately. If you want to contact with your customers privately, you will allow people to contact my page privately by your messaging or by your email address also. Tagging ability. Only people who help manage my page can tag photos, post on it. Only the people allow others to tag photo or videos published by your page. If you allow others to tag photos or videos, they can tag in your page, or they can tag the photos and videos in your page also. I'll allow my audience. Then others tagging this page. People and other pages can tag my page. Others people also can tag. Allow people and other pages to tag. Others can tag you, and if you allow them. Allow Facebook stories shared from Instagram to tag. You can allow Facebook. This is not permitted for me here, and I will allow people and other pages to tag me. Then country restriction. If you don't like to publish your page in every country of the world, you can specify some countries where you want to extend your business. But I like to extend my business all over the world. That's why I will show all the countries. Only show the page viewers in these countries. Hide the page from viewers in these countries. Or I like to show my page in all over the world, so I will not select anything here. Country restriction page is visible to everyone. I would like to make my page visible to everyone. Age restriction. If you add any restriction, if your page is for the adult, you can restrict age. If your page is for children, you can select the age of children. So my page is for everyone, so I will not select any age. Page moderation. If you add any words to moderate your page. Like if you don't like to get any slang message from your viewers, from your visitors, you can add these words here to be blocked, these slang words in your page. Profanity filter, turn off here, profanity filter, and I will make it turn off profanity filter. Similar page suggestion, if other pages like my page will be suggested here, I will let it go here. Page updates, page posts are automatically published when you update page info. Reach milestone, receive reviews and more. So I will let it go because this is my aim, that my post will be automatically published when I will publish my post and when I will update my information. Then post in multiple languages. Post in multiple languages is very important. If you want to get business, or if you want to get visitors or traffic from all over the world, you will have to post in multiple languages. Allow people who manage this page to write post in multiple languages, because in the world there is lots of languages, there is so many languages. That's why you will have to make your post in several languages, and I will save it here, post in multiple languages, and I will allow the people, or I will allow my admin or moderators to make post in multiple languages. Translate automatically. If you want to translate your post automatically by in any languages, you will have to put it on, and I will also put this option 1 so that my post will be translated automatically. Comment ranking means the visitors will comment here, and comments ranking will be by default. See most relevant comments by default, and I would like to see the comments. If you don't like to see the customers comment, visitors comment, you can turn it off, but I would like to see the feelings or comments of my customer. That's why I will put it on and let it save. Then content distribution, download to Facebook allowed, I will allow it. Download page, I will allow. Merge pages, I will allow. Remove page, if you want to remove your page or if you want to delete your page, you can go here, and if you delete your page permanently, your page will be deleted, but I will not delete my page. So these were the general setting. Then I will show you the message setting. So in my next video, I will show you message setting and template steps setting also, because this is vast work and large work, difficult works. That's why I will show you in my next video lesson. And if you don't like to miss the update video lesson of this channel, you will have to subscribe this YouTube channel and keep the bell button on so that you don't miss any update video lesson of this YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to finish here. Thanks for watching. Tata. Goodbye.